In this video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in Pionex. In order to do that, I have in here this article that can help us. To deposit money on your Pionex, you just need to head over and understand the deposit methods. We have bank transfer, credit or debit cards, cryptocurrency, fiat currency, as well as third-party payments. For the bank transfer, you can use it if you have a traditional banking system. You can directly deposit from your bank account by using bank transfer securely and wisely. However, it may take longer to process, usually ranging from a few hours to several days. For credit cards, you can use instant deposit via Visa, MasterCard, and other major debit cards. However, they have higher transaction fees. For cryptocurrency, you can make use or transfer funds if you already own them. So this is the most efficient methods for this case. Next is the fiat currency deposit. You can allow users to deposit USD or Euro and other fiat currencies through various channels. However, it needs reliable deposits, and in here they have offering faster processing times. They also have third-party payments like e-wallets and financial service providers like PayPal, Square, and other online wallets. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.